listening to the engineer, especially the chairman's question on how engineering fits into marketing, a very, very important perspective. And I'm happy for this award, and I hope that we'll be able to improve in the future. Thank you for organizers, and thank you for
lovely to meet you all here, the researcher and the other students and the professors and you as organization. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Yazid Abdessalam Al-Qahtani. I am from King Khalid University at Saudi Arabia. I study electrical engineering and inshallah I will graduate this semester. It was lovely. Everything here was good. The organization was good. Thank you so much.